Right, so I'm going to unleash the beast. This is what the batteries are saying. Okay, so I'm going to take off the short. Picking up the wind. Oh, crap. It's absolutely smashing it around. Shit, that means it's actually going over voltage when it hits 28.8. Remember guys, these batteries are crap. I need to get some more. They're losing almost all the power after they've taken it, but you can see we're getting some more higher voltages in the dump load. Because this is a solar panel control, you can see it's fluctuating quite often, which I believe is where something like an MPPT controller comes in. It monitors the input multiple times a second, so it gives you a gradual up and down rather than a clunk 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 clunk. Yeah, that is smashing it round now. Here comes the wind. There it goes. Well, I might have to put the brake on. Yeah, I'm gonna have to put the brake on. Whoa, Jesus. Yep, that's the end of the test for now, but it seems to be working very well and not a lot of wobble, so I've actually had to put the brake on because of how fast it was going. You see when this controller actually went pretty much blank, that meant it's like, well, no more, because the turbine's getting out of control. So good news, and need a controller and some batteries, but the improvements to the tower seem to have helped. I noticed a bit of a wobble when it was starting up, but after that the wobble virtually gone. That's obviously got the brake on now. So yeah, I think the improvements have actually helped, and I'll see you in the next video with more experiments.